Another option that you have prior to starting an assignment in intermediate algebra is the fact that there are links to video lectures that me, your instructor, has created that are similar to those that I would have done in a face-to-face course. So what we're looking at right now is a view within Schoology, and under the coursework button, the video links are organized by chapter. So here's chapter 1. I do have a Word document for class notes that you would fill in, identifying the key points and or sample problems as I go through the lectures. And here then just a matter of clicking on the link and the video starts on exactly the information that is in each one of these sections. So you have an option of using the video in the textbook through my math lab, or in Schoology. Here are the Southwest Tech published videos where you're hearing me and seeing exactly what you would have seen had you taken this class in a face-to-face.